Hello again. Adventures in Writing Code with AI Assistance. Again, I've done my best to not write any code, but have AI generate that code. This time around, I'm using Google's Gemini AI Studio, which I could probably do a whole video just contrasting how it works compared to Kuro. Net result is Kuro is much better and faster, but AI Studio was very effective. If you're actually a developer. I've developed an application with React front end, once again, and a C# back end, and it has a SQLite database here for storage of some small bits of information. But what is this application? Well, I wanted to make a voice, a demonic voice, for something else that I'm working on, and I don't have a very demonic voice. So what I've done is I asked AI Studio to create that voice. I gave it the text, and it said that it couldn't generate it, but it could write a program to do it. As I went through the program, I created a Python script. I then made it into an application so that I can type in anything that I want and adjust some sliders and have a different voice say it. This is probably just the version 1 of this application. So let me go ahead and get it running. This is loading a list of 400 different voices, and this is our application. We'll start on the quick and high level. It's called Demonic Voices. It's got 3 tabs here on the primary. The Studio, where you can type in what you want it to say. You can adjust what voice says it. You can adjust, well, just about everything that you can adjust with this library. It's a voice library from Microsoft on Windows, so this will probably only run on Windows machines, sadly. I'm sure we could adjust that, but that's not the point of the application. Over here we have a vault, and this is one item that I've got saved in here. This is the defaults, and it shows you everything. If you click on this button, it'll bring it to the studio, and if you click on this button, I can delete it. Then over here, I have a spell map, because programmers are just wizards or witches or whatever you want to call us. Terminology is different. So my standard, here's the code scan, here's the number of lines of code, number of files, different language types, here's the different files by language type, and this is the lines of code by language type. So by far, the front end took most of the work. Our logic map, again, my standard. What was triggering it, the controller, the action, the REST API type, the address, does it interact with the SQL database and any target tables. So you can say that some of these do access tables. And then we've got the libraries. This is a new add-on for me, trying to be a little more security minded. This is the current versions of the libraries that are used. And it does a little check to see if this is the secure version, or if not, it's a clue to me to update some code. And then again, we've got my typical thing here. This is API Swagger-ish, but done in the style of the application this time. And so if we click on something like this, so get list voices, it shows you what needs to go into it, in this case, nothing. And if we run it, I love the manifesting response. This is the list of voices, okay? And that list of voices is what we were waiting on over here with the little spinner. So that's the overview, and if we click on this button, it should play it.
Demonic voices are hot.
So I'm just playing around, but if we want to change that a little bit, and if we go over here before we do that change, you see it didn't save another one. It was just these default settings.
Demonic voices are hot.
So anyway, let's adjust this higher.
Demonic voices are hot.
That was a little hotter. So that's what it does. And then if we hit the vault here, we can see we've got the same voice, but we can see the difference between the two. This is 0.1 and this is 0.06. And
Demonic voices are hot.
it plays it if it's already been generated every time you return to the Studio tab. So we could change the voice. I don't know what a good voice is. I haven't explored these a lot yet. Let's try Sylvie. And let's bump that up a little.
Demonic voices are hot.
Anyway, that's what it does. And this is the stuff here. It's all in a SQLite database. It's all pretty cool stuff. It took me about an hour and a half to create all of this. Me just bickering back and forth with AI Studio and loading into my local Visual Studio Code. You see the scrolls. We're going to hear the voice again, but I want to create a fourth one.
Demonic voices are hot.
Oh, it's so funny. Let's try this one. And let's bump up that main octave again. And, let's change that a bit. See if that works. Well, that was different. But now if we go back to the vault, we've got 4 items there. We've got this Sabhana neural. And I'm going to delete that one because it was not English. Anyway, that's it. That's the program. It's all located in, let's see, my repo over here, The Anti-Life is Real. It's a reference to DC Comics if anyone wants to get that. And I'll put the link in with the video and have fun with it. Make voices, say weird things, gotta have fun. Thanks for your time. Bye.